What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Thanks for tuning into Stock Essentials. My name is Alex. We're going to be going over IRNT stock, IronNet. And they're basically a cybersecurity company. And they have been trading pretty flat the past month around this $10 price point. It probably underwent through a SPAC merger, but overall, it's been gaining a lot of traction in the market. As we can see, it's up 20% on a day and up 4% in the after hours. So really big price movement is going on with this stock. And it's undergoing basically a gamma squeeze. If we take a look at the Wall Street Bets most mentioned stocks, of course, we got SPY because we're sitting at all-time highs. A lot of people are very uncertain. But we also have IRNT at the number 2 spot, which of course is up 20% on the day. And especially from a pretty red day yesterday, Tuesday in the market, IRNT saw a huge move upwards. And this is after some bad news came out as well, because they reported some unexpected earnings and they actually missed on revenue. So pretty bad for IronNet fundamentals. But it seems like retail investors did not care. They ended up buying more and more of the stock, and it's up 26% in the past week, up 142% in the past month. So definitely a lot of people are watching the stock, and a lot of people are talking about it. If we go to Wall Street Bets mentions, lots of people are mentioning the stock. And if you search for IRNT on Wall Street Bets, lots and lots of posts about IRNT. A lot of people think it's a great opportunity. Of course, it's going to be a massive pump and dump, most likely, like all these other stocks, such as SPRT. But if you do want to try and chase the stock and try and ride the wave, because a lot of people are pouring money, thousands and thousands of dollars into this stock. As we can see here, a lot of people are YOLOing their money. 37K from this guy, 69K, 67.5K, 76K, and a lot of people are just really putting in a lot of money as a risky investment. This guy even put 340K of his own money into this stock and bought over $15,000, 15,000 shares. So he has over $250,000 into the stock, and a lot of people are just pouring money into it. And all this buying pressure can definitely lead this stock to go to higher highs than it's seen right now. It's only up 142%. Now that might seem like it's up an incredible amount, but compared to these other short squeeze stocks such as SPRT, they went from just a few dollars all the way up to highs of $60, seeing really high returns and 1,000% gain in a month. So definitely be careful with these stocks. Implied volatility is going to be pretty high. I wouldn't even bother with trading options on this stock. It's going to be pretty risky. If you want to play it, definitely go in with a stop loss. You don't want to lose your entire investment with this stock. It's going to be pretty risky. So make sure to take profits when you can if the stock does see a huge run up. Don't get too greedy, because as fast as the stock can rise, it'll definitely fall just as fast when people decide to take profits. So it's always good to have some levels where you're okay taking profits at, as well as setting a stop loss so you don't lose as much money. So it does look like it's stair-stepping higher. Really good price action, actually. We can see some nice healthy pullbacks, of course, with some huge upwards momentum. But overall, we're up in this nice uptrend, stair-stepping higher, and a lot of people are definitely watching the stock. Huge movement in the market yesterday, Tuesday. As we said earlier, up 24% on the day, and the volume is very high as well. Average volume is only 7 million, and the volume yesterday was 8.5 million. So not incredibly crazy, but definitely a lot more buyers than sellers in this stock. So definitely be careful. If we take a look at the options chain, we can see how inflated the premiums are. 300% implied volatility is going to be pretty high, meaning the premiums on these contracts are going to be pretty high as well. But if you do only have a few $100 to spare, you're probably not going to get rich just buying shares. So if you want to play a lottery ticket play, you could do some call options. Maybe not for September 17th. Maybe do it maybe October 15th call options. It is going to cost you a few $100, but it would be better than risking all your money in the September 17th expiration date, because that's only going to give you a few days of expiration, about 3 days, and that's just not enough time for this play to play out, because as we saw earlier, it's going to take maybe a few weeks or so to see some significant price action. Every day it's not going to be plus 20%. We're going to have some pullbacks. People are going to want to take profits, and once the stock has probably dipped a significant amount, a lot of people see it as a nice dip buying opportunity, and pour the money back into it, creating another spike upwards with all that buying pressure. And a lot of people who are just watching on the sidelines, they're going to be pouring their money into it too. So it's going to be driving it further and further up. But that's about it for this video. If you liked it, please leave a like. Comment down below what your thoughts are on IRNT, and of course subscribe if you're new to the channel. We're almost at 3,000 subscribers, and it helps out a lot. Thanks for watching.